you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Malisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. More than 200 young people from all over the Salesian province of Rocklow, PLO, gathered at the Salesian School in Rocklow to celebrate New Year's Eve. Having arrived in the Lower Salesian capital 2 days before the event, it was for the participants a great opportunity to meet new people and to pray, play and have fun together. During the first evening, the young people toured the city and then danced some traditional dances in the front of the music forum. The following day, they did various activities such as skating, bowling, games and photography classes and attended the mass presided over by Father Bartomej Polatsky, Provincial Superior of the PLO province. At the end of the celebration, the New Year's Eve party began, with this year focused on the theme, Good Heroes, with the youth dressed up as superheroes such as Batman, Spider-Man and polished national soccer players Szczesny and Lewandowski. The Salesian Family Day of the Indonesia Vice Province was held on the 30th of December. The event was attended by members of the Salesian family from the various Salesian works, with Father Andrew Wong, Superior of the INA VP, in attendance. During the Mass presided over by Father Oni Bonifacio, inspired by the Rector Major Strena 2023, he reminded the participants of their call as members of the Salesian family to be yeast and light in the families and society. After the Mass, the different groups of the Salesian family had a chance to showcase their talents and skills with moments of interaction and sharing. Father Wong reminded the participants that the most important element of the meeting was their presence, urging all groups to be leaven everywhere. The Forest Man of India Padma Shri Mr. Jadav Molai Payeng joined the Scouts and Guides on New Year's Day of 2023 for the plantation drive, wherein over 3,500 saplings were planted in the Assam Don Bosco University Tapesia campus, Guwahati, Assam. This was to give the participants of the 14th National Boscory an impetus of working towards a closer relationship with Mother Earth. Padma Shri Mr. Jadav Molai Payeng joined more than 3,000 Scouts and Guides on New Year's Day of 2023 for the plantation drive at Adbu campus. Assam Don Bosco University campus at Tapesia on the outskirts of Guwahati city is hosting the 14th National Boscory from 29 December 2022 to 3rd January 2022. The 6-day program, designed under the theme Save Our Planet Home, provided an opportunity to the young Scouts and Guides to experience and learn various activities of adventure, skills and discipline, with sessions based on the theme to spread the message and translate the thematic activities into action, making and sustaining a green and clean environment. The first National Boscory was held in 1974 at Doda Balapur, Karnataka, while the last one, the 13th National Boscory, was held in 2018 at Nashik, Maharashtra. As the Salesian province of Guwahati is commemorating the centenary of the arrival of the first Salesian missionary 1922 to 2022 in northeast India, the 14th National Boscory 2022-23 is a part of the centenary celebration hosted by the Salesian province of Guwahati. The 16th General Chapter of the Daughters of the Sacred Hearts of Jesus and Mary, Religious Institute, 8th group of the Salesian family, founded 117 years ago in the hospital of Agua de Dios, Colombia, by Blessed Luigi Verriera SDB, took place in Bogota from 8 to 28 December 2022. The chapter began with a pilgrimage to Cucuta, the place of the founder's death, at the gates of the centenary year of his birth into heaven, which will take place on the 1st of February 2023. In this holy place, the sisters, gathered in memory of their founder and guided by his teachings, began the journey of chapter discernment, which involved 39 religious from 11 countries, in which the institute is currently present. This journey culminated on the 24th of December, when in the monthly memorial of Mary Help of Christians, the chapter assembly elected the future Mother General and her council. The elected Mother General is Mother Eulalia Marinruda, former superior of the institute previously. The East Timor Vice Province TLS Commission for Formation and Social Communication conducted a 2-day training meeting for young Salesian trainees and post-novices. Father Manuel Pinto SDB, as head of the TLS VP's area of formation, officially opened the session, stressing that with the increase of information and communication technology, one needs to equip oneself with adequate knowledge in order to make proper use of it and to use the various platforms and to educate and evangelize the youth. During this time, Father Jolino Vieira da Costa, Delegate for Social Communication of the TLS Vice Province, presented three main themes: the New Horizons, the 5 Languages of Love, and the Salesian System of Social Communication. Father Vieira da Costa explained to the participants that while they are emerging in the digital arena with its complexity, one needs to understand how technology works and how to respond to the challenges in a Salesian way. It is necessary to have skills and passion for digital navigation to be able to inject positive vibes to people active in the network. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.